The 2018 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, navigation package, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, security system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.